My school is one of the best places in my life. It has many classrooms, a big playground, a library, and a computer lab. I love going to school every day to learn new things. My teachers are very kind and helpful. They teach us subjects like English, math, science, and art. The playground is my favorite place where I play with my friends. Our school library has many storybooks that I enjoy reading. We also celebrate special days like Sports Day and Teachers' Day. My school is neat, clean, and full of joy. I feel proud to be a student of my school.